Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Jobs Today. In this video, we are going to see top 3 MNCs hiring for the different positions and its salary CTC is between 3 to 6 LPA. I have given the application link in my description, so check it out and apply for the those job roles you have. Now let's start with the first job role. First is Tata Electronics is hiring for a role of graduate engineer trainee, and below that the purpose for this job and required skills are mentioned. You need to have strong analytic and problem solving skills. Again, you need to have strong supervisory and leadership skills, and you can have a knowledge on the core subjects like fluid mechanics, solid mechanics, and so on. And qualification mentioned and experience, people from 2022 and 23 graduate can apply for this job role. And here are the technical requirements, and once you can read this, you can apply for this job role. Next we can say is Quest Global is hiring for the role of trainee engineer, and its job location is Bangalore, and you should have minimum 60 percentage throughout your academics. And here the degree and year of completion is given, and salary also mentioned here as 3.25 LPE. And in this company you have 2 years bond, and selection process include online assessment and your technical interview. And also you can read this. Below this the form is given. In this form you need to give your full name and your date of birth, candidate gender, and your email ID, like your personal information you need to fill in this form. And after that you also have to give your academic details in this. Once you given all your information, you can submit this application. Next we can say is Kpmg is hiring for the analyst role, and below that job description is given. And 0 to 1 year of experience in Python programming, and you need to have familiarity with core Python programming, and some of the knowledge requirement you needed from this company. And its qualification, it is for a bachelor of engineering degree from the stream of CAC and IT, and you should have a knowledge of programming is must. Once you completely read this, you can apply for this job role. And that's all for today's videos, friend. For more job updates and MNC related onboarding updates, do subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to see the latest update which I am posting, and support to my channel, friends. And have a good day. Thank you all for watching this video. All the best for your career.